Hey everybody, it's me, Jordan Tyrannosaurus. Merry Christmas. So today, I got a Christmas present today. I got PlayStation 5 Fortnite Edition. And it's really awesome. So, by the way, shout out to my dad. He is awesome. So, by the way, I cannot show you his identity, so I had to protect his face. So we got here. We got this. I got this for Christmas today. So it comes with yeah. It comes with Fortnite. It's got really cool Fortnite skins. We got the Lego one. We got the weapons. We got the drums, the accessories, the tires, and the V-Bucks. It comes with 3D audio. Comes with incredible graphics and custom CPU SSD. That means a lot of storage. They need some storage, stuff like that. So check this out, man. It's really cool. It's 4K. It's 4K. Check it out. Accessories. Comes with the console, disk drive, dual sensitive, horizontal standing feet. Okay. HDMI cable, AC cord. Got an Astro's Playroom Fortnite bundle. So let's open this thing. Let's open it. Basically, I'm right-handed, so I cannot use the left hand because I am right-hand. So I cannot do things with my left hand, so I always do things with my right hand. I'm right-handed, you know. So come on, this tape. Oh my god. Hey, a sec, I'll be back. Got it. There we go. Just open it up. Actually, my tripod broke, so I cannot use my tripod anymore, so it's broken right now. So let's open another box. Ooh, Boxception though. You heard the reference from the Corey Kitchen PlayStation 4 video. Ooh. We got a cord. We got that's a controller stand. Whoa! Look at this controller though. Wow. That is really cool. And it comes with the PlayStation button. Whoa. Wait, try again. You can't see that. Whoa, it glows blue. You got the pause buttons, the tab button, and the screenshot button. That's very different for a PlayStation 4. Oh, let's check it out. That's the HDMI cord. And charger for the controller. Now let's open the big boy. Give a sec. There it is. The big boy itself. Whoa. Careful not to break this thing. Whoa. Look at this console though. Look at this beautiful console. It is very awesome. You don't know, I'm a PlayStation boy. Also a Sony boy, because I always love products of Sony. let's check another box. See here. I guess that's it. That's everything. So let me set this up. This is the aftermath of the box opening of the PlayStation. So we got this big fat console right there. The big fat console itself is really cool. The controller is really nice. We got the cords, everything is really nice. So I can play some games like Fortnite and stuff. So you don't know me, I play dinosaur games, educational games, PBS Kids games, and Ghost Simulator, Dark Souls. Those are games I play. Oh, by the way, don't forget NBA 2K. One of my favorite sports games. Scared ya, huh? But by the way, but don't you, I went. Why did I do that? This is my dinosaur mask, Jurassic Park mask. So, thank you, Dad, for getting me this for Christmas, and I appreciate it. Don't worry, I'm gonna make better contents on my YouTube channel. I got 66 subscribers, so I'm gonna get more energy, more better content for you, everybody. So I had to keep lots of energy so on my videos, so I don't want to be dumb or stupid. Eventually, I gotta be smart for my YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you for watching. You want to see more videos? Smack a big like. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.